Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar.
All right, foodies, let's talk fish and chips. But with a twist, you probably think cod or haddock when you crave that classic golden crispy bite, right? But have you ever tried pollock? So, first things first, is pollock safe to eat? Absolutely. Pollock is a mild, flaky whitefish that's low in mercury, making it a safer choice for most people, including kids and pregnant women. Just remember to check your local fish advisories, but generally, pollock's a winner. Now, for the real question, does it make good crispy fish and chips? Oh, you bet it does. Pollock has a light texture and delicate flavor, so it soaks up all those tasty spices in the batter. When you fry it up, the outside gets super crispy, while the inside stays juicy and tender. Honestly, it's a game changer for your fish and chips night. Bonus points. Pollock is often more affordable and sustainable than the usual suspects, so you're doing your wallet and the planet a solid too. So next time you're at the market, grab some pollock. Give it a try in your favorite fish and chips recipe. Trust me, you might just discover your new go-to fish. Hungry yet? Drop your thoughts or pollock experiences in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty tips.
Shh. I still admit I prefer cod. Sorry.